The BenQ Professional 1080p Full HD Network Business Projector is built for those who need reliable, high-quality visuals in professional environments. It's not just about projecting an image, it's about delivering clear, crisp content every time, whether for presentations, meetings, or even video streaming in a work setting. Starting with the design, the projector has a sleek, minimalistic appearance that fits seamlessly into offices, classrooms, or conference rooms. The build feels sturdy and durable, clearly made for long-term use. The layout of ports and controls is thoughtful, making connectivity straightforward. With options like HDMI, VGA, USB, and LAN, connecting laptops, desktops, and other devices is simple, while also supporting network management for larger setups. The core feature of this projector is its full HD 1080p resolution. Every detail in presentations, images, or videos comes through sharply. Text appears crisp, charts are easy to read, and colors are rich and well-balanced. BenQ's DLP technology ensures consistent color accuracy and contrast, so visuals maintain their quality over extended use. This makes it ideal for businesses that rely on precision and clarity for client presentations or internal reports. Brightness is another strong point. Even in well-lit environments, the image remains clear and easily visible. This is a major benefit for professional spaces where dimming lights isn't always an option. The projector's calibrated color performance ensures vibrant and natural tones, maintaining the integrity of visuals without oversaturation or dullness. Whites are crisp, blacks have depth, and all colors appear true to life. One of the standout advantages is its network capabilities. IT teams and administrators can control multiple projectors across different rooms or offices through LAN management. This remote monitoring feature streamlines setup and maintenance, reducing time and effort for managing multiple devices. It's more than a projector. It's a centralized tool for professional environments that value efficiency. Audio is clean and sufficient for small rooms or meetings. While it's not designed to replace full speaker systems, the built-in speaker provides clear sound for presentations and video playback. For larger spaces, external audio connections can enhance the experience. The projector is also energy efficient. With BenQ's Smart Eco mode, power consumption is optimized without compromising image quality. This not only lowers operational costs but also extends lamp life, allowing thousands of hours of usage before any replacement is needed. Installation is flexible and user-friendly. Vertical keystone correction ensures the image stays perfectly aligned even if the projector isn't centered. This makes it easy to mount on ceilings, place on side tables, or adjust to unconventional room layouts. The result is a perfectly proportioned and professional-looking display every time. Overall, this projector combines reliability, image quality, and smart functionality. Full HD visuals, strong brightness, accurate colors, and advanced networking features make it a top choice for professional users. Whether it's for corporate presentations, classroom instruction, or high-quality video playback, it delivers consistent, sharp, and vibrant results. BenQ has created a product that balances performance with practicality. For professionals seeking a dependable and efficient projector, the 1080p Full HD Network Business Projector is a solution that performs as promised. If you're ready to upgrade your professional setup with this projector, the link to purchase is in the description below.